For methi chicken, first marinate the chicken with thick yogurt. Now keep it in the fridge for half an hour. Next, heat some oil. Now add half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and few dried red chilies. Then stir fry the marinated chicken. Now add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Fry until the chicken is sealed. When the chicken is sealed, season with salt, pinch of sugar and crushed black peppercorns. Mix well. Pour little water. Bring it to boil. Now cover and simmer until the chicken is cooked. Finally add soaked kasuri methi. And now it's ready to serve.